Hi, my name is Raghu Venkatesh. I'm the co-founder and chief business officer at ANSCER Robotics. I'm very excited to be at the Automation Expo 2025. Here we are showcasing our LBR robot, which is a low-bed robot designed to pick any trolleys in a brownfield project without need to modification. So it helps large-scale companies seamlessly move their trolleys, and we build plug-and-play robots. And it's been a very overwhelming experience meeting stakeholders from companies who want to understand what is next in automation. And that's what we're showcasing and also sharing how we have helped automobile and electronic companies overcome material handling challenges. And I look forward for the next 2 days to see what comes ahead.